picture this. You're sitting at your desk at work one Friday afternoon. You're thinking about a lot of business ideas. It could be a product, a service. You just don't know if you could make money through it. What you do know is that you don't like your job and you want to start working for yourself with the flexibilities that you can get in 2019 working for yourself. It's very, very tempting. But if you keep watching my video, I'm going to talk about a very easy way to find out if your business idea actually has some viability or not in 2019. So let's start with the problem first. You have the product or service in your head. You want to put it on paper and find out if you can actually find customers for that product or service. Well, we're going to start by creating a web page. The web page can be a blog, an actual landing page for your future product or service. You want to find out quickly how many people are willing to give you their name, phone number, and email address. If you have those details, then you can contact them again when the product or service is in actual existence in the future. A landing page for the website just means a place where the product or service is going to be sold in the future. In a blog or vlog, you can find out if there are people who are interested in reading about your product and actually purchasing a product that's in existence today, either on Amazon, eBay, or any other store. So let's go through the process of creating a blog. In the blog, you're going to write some scientific facts and things you study. Put in some time to find out if this product is something that you actually believe in or not. So once you've decided what your product is, you're going to start creating a blog site like this one, and you're going to start talking about the benefits of having that product in a consumer's life. So you're going to pitch. You're going to pitch someone else's product. Make use of all of the marketing material that might be available for that product already. You're going to create a comprehensive but concise blog page about that product, and you're going to paste affiliate links on the bottom. What are affiliate links? Affiliate links are essentially a link that guides a customer that might be interested in buying that product or maybe not to actually go onto a website like Amazon that is selling that product. So you're guiding people to actually make a decision to purchase or not. What do you get out of selling somebody else's products? Well, if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you can get up to a 10% cut of any product that you might be selling, and Amazon will pay you right into your bank account. I know, right? A lot of people don't actually know about that. So through affiliate marketing, you're going to start making some money while selling somebody else's product, and all you have to do is just write about the benefits of that product. Now, I'm going to show you an example of where I've done something similar to find out if I can sell something like a folic acid tablet. Since I had some experience with vitamins, minerals, and supplements, I thought of setting up this website called scientistreview.com, where I go through products and their ingredients. In my articles, I also go through some recommended products that I might have tried myself, or I know from reading that they're good products. If a customer buys that product within the 24 hours from the IP address, then you're going to get a commission from that product. It might be a product that already has a good rating on Amazon. It might be a product that has a lot of benefits and you believe it's an undiscovered product. You can pick, this is the best part about it, you can pick whatever product you want to sell, and again, you're going to be making some money in the background, so it's not a complete waste of time. To set up your blog space, you can use a website like Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, or anything else. There are a lot of website services that will let you set up a blog for absolutely free. Yes, nothing. Zero. Just set up your blog right now. What I'm also going to strongly recommend is that you set up a Facebook blog right away. You can make use of my video that I created quite recently about how to make a Facebook blog page, and creating a Facebook blog page is absolutely free. The benefits that you're going to get from creating a Facebook blog page, it's very cheap to advertise on Facebook. So once you have your Facebook blog page set up, what you're going to start doing is start writing some blogs with affiliate links on the bottom. I will make a separate video about affiliate links, so keep tuned and please subscribe. What you now want to find out is if people are actually interested in buying that product after you've made your pitch. If you're going to start a business, you're going to have to start getting used to pitching at some point. So might as well start now using somebody else's product to practice and see how successful you are. I would strongly recommend start learning marketing and sales right now. You're now going going to paste links to your external blog website on your Facebook page itself. You're not allowed to advertise notes or Facebook's native blogs right now. You can advertise external links, so you're going to take advantage of that. Right now, Facebook is a very money efficient way to advertise your blog post, and you're going to take advantage of that. And then what you're going to do is hit the boost button on your Facebook link. What the boost button lets you do is it lets you advertise your third-party link to whatever demographic you choose. You can advertise anything to absolutely anybody around the world. You can choose what country they're located in, how old they are, whether they're parents, whether they're interested in something like, let's say, Kim Kardashian, any type of person at all, and start advertising to that type of person right now. So let's say you're advertising a protein powder and you decide protein powder should be oriented towards someone who's active, someone who goes to the gym, and you're going to select this demographic. You're going to advertise your post for just £1. £1, or that's about $1.3 or 93 rupees, 0.00038 Bitcoin. Yeah, that's not a lot of money. So what you're gonna do is every time you create a new blog post, you're gonna advertise it on Facebook using what you think is the right demographic for that product to be sold to. So over time, what you're gonna have is you're gonna have a lot of data now. You're gonna have different blog posts that you've made with affiliate marketing links on the bottom, and you're gonna find out how many people that article reached, how many people clicked on the link, how many people clicked on the affiliate link, how many people like your blog post, and you're going to start understanding what type of product you found it really easy to sell. And then once you have all of this information, perhaps you can take the next step in trying to look into product development of that product, and you can set up your own website, which I will go through another time. If you found this video interesting and you want to find out more about how to find customers before you even have a product, I post 2 times a week, and you might find my future videos very, very interesting. So share this video with whoever might find it interesting, and thanks a lot for watching.